I've actually thought about getting my license several times because I have the time.
Sorry, Airport 3, you going back to the windtop?
And my brother, he's a helicopter pilot.
Oh, really?
Yeah, he
Airport
flies
3, you can
Black
cross
Hawk.
taxiway Alpha.
Hold the yoke. Now, I'm not going to let you do anything stupid. We're good. We got good airspeed. Everything's fine. So,
Hotel Charlie, runway 17.
just put your hands on it now. If you go...
No.
I mean, it's okay.
It's too scary.
So you pull back, you go up.
Have we got twin ground for
Okay, now.
Cross 3-1.
Turn. Try turning right a little bit. Just a little bit.
Okay.
There you go. Okay, pull back a little bit on the yoke. So whenever you turn, you lose lift. So you got to pull. You got to kind of compensate. There you go. Okay, now try turning to the left again.
Very cautious.
Plane responds pretty quick, so.
Yeah, extremely.
All right. There you go.